Hey guys, so getting straight to it, this wig I made is with AliPearl's Brazilian deep wave hair in inches 22, 24, 24 with a 20-inch matching lace closure. I am going to be talking in this video, but I just wanted to start off with a voiceover. This is the wig in its unaltered state, so it hasn't been manipulated or brushed out whatsoever. I don't know how close I am, however, I'm just here to educate you guys on something really quick before we move on to the next part of this video. This here is a unit that I made from AliPearl's deep wave hair, Brazilian deep waves to be exact. I have I made this wig out of, I believe this is an 18-inch lace closure, the 20, 22, 24, 24, or the 18, 20, 22, 22. Regardless, I'm going to leave the correct ones in the description box below. However, this is just the wig. It hasn't been altered or anything. The only part of the wig that's been washed is the closure when I have to bleach the knots. Other than that, the bundles have not been touched. I do not wear my curly hair, straight out of the bundles. I like to manipulate it a little bit with some conditioner and some water and a paddle brush. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So, yeah, I'll just show you guys. I know a lot of people probably do wear their hair like this when it's curly, not really doing anything to manipulate it further. But I don't. So we're going to walk right through it. Okay, so right now I'm just showing the wig once again before I run it under some water, and I prefer to wash my wigs under my kitchen sink. I have my hand underneath my lace closure, and the conditioner I'm using is the Ocean Breeze conditioner by Suave. It was only like $2 from Dollar General. So yeah, I just picked it up. I didn't need anything too extravagant, just something to give my hair a little bit of slip. So here I am just wetting the entire wig. It's just best for deep wave or curly hair to wet all of the hair in its entirety to work the product through in the most effective way. So here I am taking a handful, and I'm really doing it from the mid shaft to the ends, and then I'll put the excess at the top of the wig wherever I need it. But from there, I'm putting the wig back on the mannequin, and I am going to take the camera and the tripod with me. As you can see right here, I'm going to put it on my little mannequin stand, and I'm going to brush the curls out with my paddle brush. So let me get myself situated. And I kind of go in like a mad woman starting mid-shaft. And we all know you got to start from the bottom and work your way up. I got a hold of it eventually, and I'm just brushing out all of the uniformed waves just to single out all of the hair instead of having it all clumped together. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So I'm brushing even faster. And it's really just to tame the hair, because the wig was a lot bigger at first. And now I'm using some mousse just to lay down any flyaways. And I'm also using my rat tail comb to bring forth the baby hairs I created when I customized my closure. And I'm going to use some Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in 338 Spicy Brown underneath the lace closure, just to make it more like my skin tone, because the lace color was kind of transparent, I believe. So I'm just putting my foundation color underneath the lace closure so it blends in better with my skin. And guys, I also like to use a wig cap with my foundation on it as well, kind of like the frontal method, except for I don't cut that band in the front. All I do is just use the got to be glue free spray with the wig cap, and I just put foundation on, and I put my wig on top, and it looks the best it's ever looked. Like, I would prefer to do this method over not having a wig cap under my wigs at all. So as you can see, like, it's really looking like scalp right there. So I'm really happy, and I'm very satisfied with the way that this hair turned out. This hair is actually very, very soft. Make sure you guys check out the review of this hair I will leave it in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But I'm just doing my little finishing touches. I had somewhere to be, so I didn't really have time to let it dry. But look at that closure. Yes, it's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, or it helped you figure out something that you can do with your deep wave or curly hair to tame it a little bit, make it a little more wearable. But other than that, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell for more videos in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.